If you've ever been to Las Vegas, you've certainly experienced the hustle and buzz of the Las Vegas Strip. Maybe even the non-stop street party that is the Fremont Street experience. But what if I told you there's a part of downtown that's a whole different vibe? Hey you, what up? Thank you for dropping into my channel. Today we're diving into the Fremont East District, a place where vintage Vegas charm meets modern day bohemian coolness. The Fremont East District is adjacent to the Fremont Street experience, but where the massive canopy ends, a more independent local scene begins. This is the result of a $5.5 million downtown revitalization effort that took place about 20 years ago. Former Mayor Oscar Goodman's push for the downtown revitalization had a key role, and the founder of Zappos, Tony Hsieh, had a large impact on the downtown project as well. The gateway to the Fremont East District is located at Fremont Street and Las Vegas Boulevard North. Oh, right here on the corner is the new Street Tacos place. Street Tacos serves quesadillas, burritos, tortas, and tacos. Here's Park on Fremont. Park on Fremont offers creative drinks, pub bites, and burgers in a taxidermy-rich setting with front and back outdoor patios. Right next door is the popular pizza joint Evil Pie. Evil Pie has slices, whole pies, and a wide selection of beer, surrounded by a rock and roll vibe and Evel Knievel memorabilia. If you're looking for a more intimate nightclub scene, look no further than Disco Pussy. Dive into Disco Pussy's vibrant energy with true house and techno sets by renowned artists. Lucky Day is a tequila and mezcal bar that offers an extensive selection of rare mezcals and small batch tequilas. Eureka Discover American Craft is a hip dining spot serving elevated burgers, craft beer, and whiskey in an industrial chic surroundings. The Griffin is a stone-faced bar with real fireplaces, an eclectic jukebox, and a dim back room featuring weekend DJs. Corduroy is a throwback 70s rock and roll joint with DJ music and cocktails. Sorry Not Sorry Creamery offers delicious creamery ice cream with waffle cones, and is a front for the two-story club We All Scream, which features a rooftop DJ booth, a back patio, and a stage made of a vintage dairy truck. Cheap Shot is a live entertainment venue and disco hosting themed piano bars, variety shows, and dance parties. Lei Thai is a popular buzzy Thai spot offering noodles and curries with an outdoor patio that hosts DJ performances. And right on the corner there is Commonwealth, a cocktail lounge with a vibrant rooftop bar. And just so you know, there is a secret speakeasy hidden in the back. Located at the intersection of 6th and Fremont Street is the historic El Cortez Hotel and Casino. This property has a rich history and was once owned and operated by legendary mobster Benjamin Bugsy Siegel, the dude who invented Las Vegas. El Cortez is one of my favorite properties for many reasons. Low table limits, loose slots, coin slots, the prime rib specials at Siegel's 1941. And strolling the Las Vegas Hall of History. El Cortez recently expanded and updated their property, and I have to say, the old girl is looking pretty classy. If you'd like to know more about this historic Las Vegas property, check out the video I made. I'll put a link in the description box below. Across the street from El Cortez is Bangkok Street Thai Street Kitchen, serving Thai street food including vegetarian options, beer, wine, and cocktails. Collector's Gallery is a jewelry shop, pawn shop, convenience store that also sells alcohol and nicotine products at a fair price. Fremont Country Club is a hardcore punk music venue. And Backstage Bar and Billiards is a rock and roll lounge offering pool tables with a stage with live acts and surroundings outfitted in musical memorabilia. Located on 6th between Fremont and Carson is La Mona Rosa Mexican Restaurant, offering Mexican classics in a cozy Mexican restaurant and bar. I just love street art, but hey, don't walk down this alley alone at night. Located between 6th and 7th Street on Carson is Parlor Coffee and Cooking. Parlor Coffee and Cooking is a daytime coffee and brunch spot known for its creme brulee French toast plus a full bar. And here is Sayolita, a Mexican restaurant that serves gigantic burritos, flavorful tacos, and delicious surf and turf nachos. And right on the corner, named after its street location, is 7th and Carson. 7th and Carson is a laid-back eatery with an eclectic new American menu, featuring delicious avocado toast, chicken and waffles, and corned beef hash. Located on 7th and Fremont Street is the entrance to Container Park. Container Park is an open-air shopping, dining, and entertainment complex built entirely from repurposed shipping containers and modular cubes. At the entrance, there is a Lovelock sculpture. This sculpture was created over a decade ago and hails from the Life is Beautiful Music Festival. Since then, thousands of couples have come here to seal their love with their partner by placing a lock on the sculpture. There is also the fire-breathing praying mantis sculpture. Its origins come from the Burning Man Festival, and it spits out a vibrant fire show nightly every hour. At the center of Container Park, there is the Treehouse, a giant multi-story play area for both kids and adults. Here's the high-end cocktail bar, Oak and Ivy. Oak and Ivy is an American craft whiskey cocktail bar dedicated to classic mixology. They feature unique handcrafted drinks using high-quality fresh seasonal ingredients. Container Park has special events like beer tasting, seasonal events, yoga in the park, movie night, and music in the live stage area. Container Park features over 25 shops and 12 food and drink options. And here's one of my favorite food options at Container Park, Pinch's Tacos. Their slogan is Real Mexican Food Made by Real Mexicans. I recommend you drop in for a taco, and you should try their tortilla soup. So if you're looking for a more artsy, locally owned, independent side of Las Vegas, the Fremont East District is definitely a must-do. Thank you so much for watching. You can show support for this struggling content creator by hitting the Super Thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Tap one of these boxes up here for more Las Vegas content. Hit the center button to subscribe, and you will receive notifications on future videos.